Ra da 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 da. Bloop, bloop, bloop. All right. Delta 9 Cannabis Inc. on the Toronto Stock Exchange Venture, ticker NINE. And yeah, this one got under my radar. We're going to head down to the weekly, do the Stan Weinstein. But right beforehand, I just want to take a little look on the monthly to establish that monthly trend, the higher prevailing trend. And just to make sure we're aligned with whatever we decide to play the stage on the weekly, which is most likely going to be stage 2. All right, explode, super duper wick. I'm very wary of these wicks now. Either they're followed by tweezer tops or just another wick and down. Price action went there, but then the sellers zoomed it, especially on the monthly. A lot of meaning on the monthly. Remember, monthly trend is going to save you. Your corrections on the smaller time frames will just be corrections. They'll just be pullbacks. The higher trend always to be respected. Always, it's that big ship, man. And you want to be in its wake. Wherever it goes, it's going to pull you. So always go check on the higher time frame. And the monthly is pretty good for giving long-term signals. So that was a signal that you're going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months later, hit the 12-month moving average, and then sideways move. You want it below. You don't want to be there yet. And here on the weekly, we're probably going to see that this is a pattern that exploded. Embryonic stage 1, stage 2 probably. And continuing, even here there was some pressure to bring it back down. It was below, but the month is still in progress, and now the price action has went all the way back up here. The buyers retaking control and pushing it back above the 12-month moving average. So this is very embryonic. It's you're protected by the 12-month moving average somewhat, but the trend is going upwards, and as long as we get a close above the 12-month moving average, that's a confirmation you need to play on the weekly Stan Weinstein. So with no further ado, we're going to zoom in on the weekly. So this stock has been a sleeper compared to other stocks in the cannabis sector, which have been exploding. So this one is one of those that's going to give you better risk to reward ratio once it does explode. You have a consolidation sideways move here below 30 average. But right here, see this one? This candle right here. Break above that line. The horizontal breakout line. Price action starting to go upwards. Started to outperform the SPX just a little bit, hanging around there. But the 30-week moving average is still declining. So what's going to happen if the price action stays above right here in this pullback, breakout, pullback, and starting to go back up? You see it here, the V, the Mansfield went down, then back up, confirms the low here. As soon as the 30-week average starts angling upwards, then this is going to probably go over, and it's going to turn green, and you'll be right at the beginning of a stage 2, guys. Let's compare it to the other marijuana stocks. Cannabis, HMMJ, is the index ETF. Okay, not mature enough, not enough data to compare. So that is a fail. We're just going to compare it to the SPX, guys. SPX. What else do we have? Well, we have that volume here. We have some Ichimoku cloud defined resistance just above here. This is we don't have a lot of data. This is very embryonic, but the potential is there. As soon as I get my green shadow here, my green overlay, this one's going to get dragged up. It's going to explode like the other cannabis stocks. So you got to make sure right now you had the pullback. All you have to do now is wait maybe the end of this week, maybe the end of next week. and make sure you go in that green zone right here. And we're just Tuesday today. It's going to be posted Wednesday morning. Maybe you're going to get more volume here by the end of the week, and maybe next week even higher volume. Break above this other consolidation pattern here, this sideways move. Remember, breakouts build on breakouts. First breakout starts queuing the 30-moving average flat and going upwards, and the next one is the one that really drives it off. And you're still close to 30-moving average. The risk is low. You're protected by the 30-moving average, by that breakout you're not far away, you're not overextended from that breakout line here. This is support, right? This is previous resistance, broken out of, now support. See it pull back, hit that support right here, that wall. And that's how it protects you. So the closer you enter close to here, even here, see, it had to pull back. That lone red candle on contracting volume, very good sign, healthy pullback. So it just builds up. Breakouts on top of breakouts, but you don't want to get in when you're too far away from the 30-week moving average. Let me just check back the monthly. Yeah, monthly had the breakout here, and we just want to make sure that we close above the 12-month moving average. So we have 2 weeks for that. Guys, it's looking good. Very, very close. Overhead resistance here. Got to be careful for that. Or else let's wait for the end of the week and see if this could close above and on ever increasing volume, guys. All right? Keep it short. Enjoy it. Ciao.